After you complete your Photoshop Introduction Challenge, including the notes for the 4 videos, the coloring with the selection tools, and then the selection collage, you are then ready to update your Google site. Remember that you're going to have to log into your school email username at mysbisd.org. Your password is SB followed by your lunch number. Use these 9 squares to open your drive. Actually, you don't need your drive, sorry. To open your Google site. Once you open here, you already have it created, so all you have to do is click on it, and it's going to open it in a new page where you can click the pencil, which is going to allow you to edit the page. Now, as you post things, I want you to post the newest things on top. Okay, so everything you do is going to start up here. You can hit return to space down a couple of times. And this is where you'll do Photoshop selection tools. Remember that you have an assignment to type in what you learned, a few sentences, okay, to make sure that you understand. Maybe list what your tools are, something about the options, etc. Then you are actually going to have 2 things that you put in. The coloring one and the collage. Make sure that you have the JPEG of both. That's what you're going to need. So this is where I'm going to then go up here to the insert menu, and I'm going to choose image. And these images aren't uploaded yet, so I'm going to click on Upload Images. I will be able to navigate into my folder where I have those saved and choose the one that has the JPEG extension. If I hold the Command key down, I can select both of those at the same time. And then you can see that they are being loaded into my basically like a library where my images are done. Okay, so I'm gonna, since the coloring one was the first assignment, I'm going to give it some alt text, and I'm just gonna say selection tools, coloring, and click OK. All right, now this is a huge image, and we need to resize it. So when you click on it, you get a little pop-up menu. This pop-up menu gives you some choices. What we want to do is we want to first say that we want to make it small. Okay, and if you scroll up, you can see that this is what it does. Okay, and then I'm just going to hit space on my space bar, and I'm going to do insert image again, and I'm going to choose the other one, and this is where I'm going to do selection collage, and that's collage, not college, and click OK, and it's going to come up super huge too. There it is. Okay, and this is already there when you click on it, and I'm going to make that small. Okay, so it's going to show up right underneath it. And those are the 2 assignments you upload. Remember that you have to write a little blurb about what you did, what you learned, and then hit save. And if you have gotten this far to where all that's left is the undo button, then you can know that you got all the points and gold you get, and you'll also know that I can see that you are finished in the leaderboard, and then I can go in and check.